Christy, and I am so excited that you're watching today. To all my subscribers out there, I just want to say a welcome back. And if you are new to my channel, I share simple, quick, and delicious recipes every single week. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. And if you hit the little notification bell, you will know as soon as I upload a new video. Now, it is summer out and it is hot outside, and I love ice cream when it's hot. There's nothing better than a nice bowl of ice cream. But today's recipe is a little bit different. You use bananas, and it is a little bit healthier for you. I don't feel quite as bad when I eat this ice cream. And I'm going to show you 3 ways to make this banana ice cream. It's so easy and it is so delicious. I will tell you that you want to get your banana to look a little bit like this. The darker they are, the sweeter they are. So you want your bananas to be as sweet as you can get them. So this is the best. When they get like this, you peel them, cut them, put them in a freezer ziplock bag, and stick them in your freezer. Then you're ready for smoothies. You can use them for anything. But today I'm going to make ice cream, so get ready. Okay, so the first ice cream that I'm going to make is a strawberry and banana. And I've got about 1.5 cups of frozen bananas. And then about 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries. Okay, so to this, the sweetener that I'm going to use is a light agave nectar. You could use honey. I prefer this agave nectar, and I'm just going to do about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this nectar in there just to sweeten it. And then I'm going to use some almond milk. And again, I'm just going to add maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons, not much. And then I'm using my food processor, and I'm just going to blend. It's going to take it just a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit more of this almond milk. I'm actually going to add just a little bit more agave. And just another little bit of this almond milk. You don't want to do, you want to do little bit at a time, because if you put too much in, then it's too thin. You want it to be really thick. There we go. All right, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to just pour this. Oh, this is so good, y'all. You've got to try it. It is so good. I'm just going to pour this into a plastic container, and then I'm going to put this into my freezer. Okay, so this next recipe is a Pena Colada. I've got about a cup of bananas, about 1 cup of frozen pineapple, and then I'm going to put about 2 big tablespoons heaping of this coconut cream. And then again, I'm going to add a squirt of agave, 2 to 3 tablespoons or so. And then this time I'm going to use coconut water as my liquid, and just about a tablespoon. A little bit more coconut water. Like I said, you just want a little bit at a time. But look at that. Oh. And then again, I'm just going to scoop this into a plastic container and put it in my freezer. Okay, so this last one is a chocolate and peanut butter ice cream with the bananas. And so I've got about 1.5 to 2 cups of bananas, frozen bananas, and now I'm going to add the chocolate hazelnut butter, Nutella. And I'm going to add a little bit of almond milk. I'm not going to add the agave because that Nutella has enough sugar in it. I am going to add just a little bit of almond milk. So I'm going to blend this up. It takes a second to pulse right at first. If you get big chunks, you just got to break them apart. But that's already looking delicious. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to put a couple tablespoons or so, dollops of, I'm using the crunchy peanut butter because I like crunchy, but you can use creamy. I'm going to put about 3 in there. Now, all I'm going to do is just pulse it 2 or 3 times. I just want it incorporated. I don't want it blended. I want streaks of peanut butter. That is probably good. Yes, because I want to see peanut butter in there. Okay, I'm not sure you can see this, but I've got chunks of peanut butter. I just blended it enough just to incorporate that peanut butter. Oh, this is like a Reese cup ice cream. Oh, it's so good. And I'm telling you, it is so much better for you. You can feel good about it. All right, so I'm gonna place this in my freezer. Okay, I have another little secret recipe that I want to share with you that is super easy, and it is for my chocolate magic shell. I know, I don't know if you've ever had magic shell, but it's amazing. And it's super easy. It's 2 ingredients. This is about 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and melt that in my microwave, but I will show you how I do that. All right, I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to my chocolate, and I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, this has been in the microwave for about a minute, and so I'm just going to stir, and this will be thin. That's what you want. You do not store this in the refrigerator because it will harden. It's really thin. You just want to store it in a nice cool place, and this can last up to 2 weeks. All right, I want to show you this strawberry ice cream. It's just been in my refrigerator, not that long, but it can set for a while. But look at that. Is that not gorgeous? A nice, beautiful strawberry and banana ice cream. Okay, the ice cream is all done, and they are beautiful. You can put whatever toppings you want on them. I'm telling you, you will want to try this. And this, I'm gonna have to go with this. This is my chocolate peanut butter. I've got peanuts on top with some of that magic shell, and that magic shell, it gets hard if you've never had it. So, oh, this is amazing. Now listen, you would not miss having your favorite ice cream with this. This is so good. It's less sugar, it is dairy free, and you can feel good about it. Fewer calories. So I really, really hope that you give this a try. These are delicious. You can use any frozen fruit. Mango, banana and mango would be really, really good. Just be creative and think of different fruit that you can use. Raspberry. I could go on and on, but I hope that you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.